Craig. Hello. We're going to show you how to wash our hands today. Now I'm going to sneeze into Finley's hand.
Should I do it?
No, I can't. And then one, two.
No, you haven't done two.
One,
Two.
Why do you keep on shooting it?
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Okay. One hand. No other hand. 1, 2, 3.
Two germs. Oh no! We've got the germs on both hands now. Now we're going to put our hands in the water and wash them. Oh, it's not going glittery. I'm going to get first. Scuba diver. Oh, one fast. Now we're going to rub our hands like this. Now like this. Now we do it inside our fingers. Now we're going to use our fingers and wash them with the soap. Don't forget your form. Do all your fingers. Now your fingernails on your wrist. Now we're going to put our hands in the water. Now look at our hands, they're nice and clean. Look at our hands, they're nice and clean. They're not all gold. Now we've washed